Multivitamins, the pills that supposedly solve all our health problems, and they are sold everywhere. Medical stores, grocery stores, and even our favorite stars endorse them. So it's got to be good, right? Well, it's time to get our facts right and find out if we really need to spend our hard-earned money on this multivitamins. So what are multivitamins? Vitamins and minerals are micronutrients that our body needs in a small amount to produce hormones and enzymes for strength and growth. But unfortunately, most of us are deficient in iron, which helps in producing hemoglobin, vitamin B12, which is important for metabolism, vitamin D, which helps in calcium absorption, and obviously calcium. So seeing all of this as an opportunity, guess who jumped the profitable bandwagon? The supplement industry, nutraceutical industry, and the pharmaceutical industries. They said all you need this pill and all of your deficiencies will disappear like magic. But here's the catch. There is absolutely no research that supports the use of multivitamins. In fact, there is research that are against it. In 2007, a study found that women who took multivitamins, vitamin C, E, beta-carotene, zinc were at increased risk of developing skin cancer. Whereas in 2012, a Harvard physician study too concluded that multivitamins have no effect in reducing the risk of major cardiovascular diseases, strokes, or the rate of death. But how? Should not taking multivitamins tablet be good for your health? Actually no. Point number 1 is that our body is so complex that just cherry picking a few synthetic versions of vitamins and supplying it to our body can actually cause it harm. Point number 2, an overdose of vitamin A, D, E, and K can cause serious life-threatening side effects. So where do I get my vitamins from? You should get your vitamins and minerals only from the most trusted brand, that is nature. You need fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, milk, cheese, fish, egg, and the sun, and all of your vitamins and mineral requirement will be met. It's true that most of us do not even include all of these things in our diet. But that doesn't mean that you will try to fix it with a pill. Instead, start eating right. To put things into perspective, just like any other drugs, vitamins and minerals should only be prescribed by your doctors, and for special cases like pregnancy, physiological problems, and other extreme nutrition deficiency cases. So, if you think you need immediate nutrition deficiency treatment, then consult your doctor instead of self-medicating yourself. So the answer to should you have multivitamins or not is yes, but not from pills but vegetables and fruits. So if you are a Salman Khan fan, then watch his movie, don't just blindly buy those products. In fact, if you want me to make a video on healthy products that stars are selling us, then do give this video a big thumbs up. If I get a good response, I'll surely make one. Comment and let me know what you think about multivitamins. Do you take them or do you not? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking down here because I make such health videos every week. I promise to see you next week. Thanks for watching.